go to RHy&x.com.
Hey guys, I'm on location with Jude, the Realty Doodle, and we are right down the street from the David Weekley Homes Model Village, and the two largest homes, either of them would fit on these lots, as well as several others. So we would love to help you as your buyer agents. These lots just opened up, and if you're a $900,000 plus buyer, these could be just for you. Now remember, you can buy in here. They have homes in the mid-fives right now, but these lots are extraordinary. There's 137 right there. Pond behind it, trees, woods, no other house staring you in the back. So there are 4 lots that just opened up. Number 136 is right here. Same thing, backing up to the pond and to some pretty spectacular views. And then 135 is right here. Number 135. Same thing. And you're going to be in the 900s because you're going to pay a lot premium for this magnificent lot. And then you're also got the price of the home, the larger homes. There's one house for sale, it's a resale, about a year old, that is on the market now, backing up to woods, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and that one's over $1 million. Now you could probably hit $1 million here if you put everything in it that you could. So the model homes are right down there, the amenity center, the landing, and this is 134. Look at that, trees behind there. So again, guys, if you are like a $900,000 buyer, you want to call me, 704-345-3400. I think these could go fast. And here's what I think. I think some of you have come and you've been kind of sticker shocked by what it costs to live in some of the 55 plus. But guess what? Everything's gone up, and the builders know that the lots like these, with beautiful, you're not staring at a neighbor in the back, etc. You got woods, you got a pond, that these are basically premium desirable lots. So they put home site premiums like 180 up to 200 on lots like this. So I can help you with a house, 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath. If you want to move in 30 days, that is right over $1 million. They probably put everything in it that you could, barely lived in. Life happens in a 55 plus neighborhood. Things change. I'm looking for my dog. There he is. Why don't you have a seat? Sit. And so why is that one on the market? I don't know, but we can find out. Probably, possibly, we could guess. I mean, I live in a 55 plus, 12 minutes away, and I'm surprised how many resales have been in my neighborhood. Like one, they were our friends. They moved to follow their kids about an hour away to be close to the grandkids. Another one moved back to Michigan. I don't know what was going on there. Another one decided to move to Charleston, So there are a lot of things that happen. Had another one move over back to Nashville. They were on the younger side of the 55 plus. I don't know. I don't want to move. It's harder than it looks, like most things. But here's what I'll tell you. We would love to show you that house that's for sale over $1 million. 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath, backing up to woods. Or we'd love to sit down with you and price one of these out. You're probably going to be in the 900s. You could hit $1 million. Or we'll show you everything in between. They have houses here, 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, as low as about mid-5s. So 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, and so on. So let us help you here. Encore Streamside. The location is fantastic. South of Charlotte. If you got kids in Weddington, maybe Marvin, South Charlotte, this is going to be so close. Matthews, this will be so close for you. And you'd love the area. Downtown Waxhaw, wow, I'm getting ready to head there right now with the boy. We hang out down there quite a bit. So guys, give me a call at 704-345-3400. Reference David Weekley Homes Encore at Streamside. And by the way, there is another Encore. That's their 55 plus product, which is up in the Harrisburg area. So if you got grandkids in Concord, Harrisburg, up that way, northeast side of town, Mint Hill, we would love to help you up there as well. So call me, 704-345-3400. Do you have anything that you want to add to that? I noticed that you just expressed your delight in the community by peppering it with part of, you got that from Jack, didn't you? If you really like it, then you mark the territory. So I got to go pick that up. I'll see you in the next video.
Go to RHy&x.com.